Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the AC compressor on Volkswagen Golf 4 1.9 TDI. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine and the AC compressor is located on the bottom of the engine. To remove the serpentine belt, we need to go underneath the car, and first we're going to remove this engine under tray. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove this plastic cover that's covering the serpentine belt. Now we can remove the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt, we need to turn the tensioner clockwise. This is the tensioner right there. I'm going to use a long wrench to turn the tensioner clockwise. This is where I need to put the wrench in and then turn it clockwise. When I turn the tensioner clockwise, the belt will get loose and then we can remove the belt. Here you can see I'm turning the tensioner clockwise and now the belt is loose and I can remove it. Removed. Now next I'm going to remove the AC compressor. The AC compressor is held by two bolts. The two bolts are on the front. We don't need to disconnect anything on the rear, maybe only the electrical connector. We don't need to remove the refrigerant lines. And the two bolts holding the compressor, one of them is there and the other one is on this side. Now that the two bolts are removed and the electrical connector removed, I'm going to pry out the AC compressor and it will come down. And as the compressor out, now we need to remove the electrical connector and then the two refrigerant lines. I'm not going to remove the refrigerant lines as I'm not going to be replacing the compressor, but that's the procedure for removing it, and then putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. Make sure before removing the refrigerant lines to drain all the refrigerant out of the system, and then you can take them out. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.